back we are again with a lovely background of luscious flowers. Aren't these flowers beautiful? I think that you would also agree that these flowers make me think of spring. I absolutely love flowers, so lovely. Oh my. So I promised you a bunch of other Paddingtons. Let's see what they have to offer. They are different. This one is larger. Well, just have a look at him. He's triple the size of me. That's right. Have a good look. But what's even more interesting is if you squeeze his tummy, he has something to say. Or maybe more than one thing. Let's try.
Good afternoon. I'm from darkest Peru.
What? You're from darkest Peru? Me too. What else does he have to say?
Marmalade sandwiches are my favourite.
Oh, goodness, mine too. Oh, seems like we have quite a lot in common. Anything else to say?
I'm a very rare sort of bear.
Oh, me too. I'm very rare. There's not a lot of Paddingtons around. In fact, I think we're unique.
It's nice being a bear, especially a bear called Paddington.
I agree. I just love my name. Paddington is a fabulous name to have. Don't you agree? Do you have anything else to say?
Hello, my name is Paddington.
Oh! Didn't he already say that? Anything else?
Good afternoon. I'm from darkest Peru.
All right, I think that's it. And that's a wrap for today. Very nice meeting you, Paddington. And I will see what the other Paddingtons have to say.